This is Shoshoshi here, and today we are going to continue chapter 4. And in chapter 4, we have already studied about factors and multiples. So, we are going to write the factors of the number. Like factors of 1 means 1, just concentrate here, this one. Factors of 1. What are the factors of 1? Means 1 comes in which numbers table? So 1 comes in only table of 1. Okay. 2. What are the factors of 2? Means 2 comes in which numbers table? So 2 comes in 1 number table and 2. Okay. Remember one thing, 1 is factor of every number, in every number, each and every number. Okay. So 1 as a factor will write for every number. So what are the factors of 3? 1 and 3 itself. What are the factors of 4? Means 4 comes in which numbers table? 1. 4 comes in table of 2 also. 2 2 is 4. So 2 is the factor, and 4 itself. 4 1 is 4. Similarly, 5. What are the factors of 5? 5 comes in table of 1. 1 is the factor of every number, and 5 itself. Okay. Then number 6. What are the factors of 6? So 6, 1 is the factor of every number, so 1. Then 2, in the table of 2 we get 6. 2 3 is 6. And in the table of 3 also, 3 2 is 6. So 3 is the factor, and then 6 itself. Similarly, factor of 7, 1 and 7. Factor of 8, 1. It comes in table of 2. 8 comes in table of 4, and 8 comes in table of 8 itself. Okay. Then 9. 1 is the factor of every number, then in table of 3, then in table of 9 itself. 10. 10 comes in which numbers table? So 1 is the factor of every number, then 2 5 is 10, 2 is the factor of 10, 5 2 is 10, 5 is the factor of 10, and 10 itself. Okay. Now come to this part, 11. 11 comes in the table of 1 and 11 only, no any other. 12. 12 comes in table of 1, in table of 2. 2 6 is 12, so 2 is the factor. 3 4 is 12, so 3 is the factor. 4 3 is 12, so 4 is the factor. 6 2 is 12, so 6 is the factor, and 12 itself. Then 13. 13 comes in table of 1 and 13 only. Then 14, in table of 1. 2 7 is 14, 7 2 is 14, and 14 itself. Then 15, 1. Then in table of 3, 3 5 is 15, so 3 is the factor. In table of 5, 5 3 is 15, so 5 is the factor, and 15 itself. Okay. So simply factor means what? In which numbers table it comes, that will become your factor. Okay. So I hope this is clear to you. Now we'll move to the another concept. Come to exercise 3. Find the prime factors. Find the prime factors by constructing factor tree. So we'll learn how to construct a factor tree. Okay. So suppose you have been given 8, and you have to construct factor tree. So 8 comes in which numbers table? From smallest we'll start. We'll not write 1. From smallest, which one is the factor? 2. 2 4 is 8. So we'll write 2 into 4. 2 4 is 8. Then this one 4. 4 comes in table of 2 into 4, then 2 into 2. Got it? Then this 2 comes in the table of 2 into 1. Now all the left side, whatever we have got, this one 2, then this one 2. Okay. When we'll get at last 1, then we'll stop it. So 2 2, 2. All the left side, all these will be the prime factors. Okay. So we have, you can see it's like a tree. From one tree different branches are coming out. Okay. So that's why it is called as factor tree. So how we'll write? Finally 8 is equal to all the red circle part. 2 into 2, 4 into 2, 8. Okay, this 2 and this 2. Now if I'll ask you, write the factor tree of 12. Okay, factor tree of 12. Then how we'll write factor tree of 12? So 12. So we'll start from the smaller one. We'll not start from 1. The smallest factor. Smallest factor is 2. So we'll write 2 into how much? 2, 6 is 12. Okay. Then this 6 has factor 2 into 3. 2, 3 is 6. Okay. Then this one 3. 3, 1 is 3. Now all the left part. This 2, this 2 and this 3. So what we can write? 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. So 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 3, 12. So this way we construct the factor tree. Okay. Now come to the exercise. What are the questions given in the exercise? Now it's given, find the prime factors by constructing factor trees. So question number A we will do. A is given 32. So 32 we have to construct factor tree of 32. So we'll write here 32. Now 32 smallest number 2 into how much? 2 into 16. If you don't know, then what you can do? 32 you can divide from 2. 2 1 is 2. 3 minus 2, 1. This 2 will come down. Then 2 6 is 12. Are we getting? So 16 we are getting as the factor. So 2 into 16 we can write this way. Okay. Then we'll write this 16. 16 we can write as 2 into 8. 2 8 is 16. Now again this 8 we can write as 2 into 4. 2 4 8. Then again this 4 we can write as 2 into 2. Again this 2 we can write as 2 into 1. We have got 1. Now stop here. Okay. Now you can see here, this is the factor tree. So all the left side you can circle it. 2, this 2, this 2, this 2 and this 2. Okay. So what we'll write? 32 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 16 2 is 32. So this is the prime factor. So this is one method of finding the prime factors. By which method? This is called as factor tree. Okay, factor tree. There is another method also. This 32 you can do in another way. How we can do in another way 32? So 32 we can write as 4 into 8. We can write or not? 4 8 is 32. Now this 4 has also other factors. So we can write here 2 into 2. Okay. Then this 8 we can write as 2 into 4. Again this 4 we can write as 2 into 2. Okay. Now this 2 we can write as 2 into 1, and this 2 we can write as 2 into 1. 1 we have got. Again this 2 we can write as 2 into 1, and again this 2 into 1. Now in everywhere we have got 1 1 1. 1 here we have got, here we have got, here we have got, here we have got. So now the left part of 1 will all circle 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, so we can write as 32 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Got it? So you can see in two method we have done. Okay, here we have done 2 into 16. So left part 2 is left. Now 16 we have expanded this part. Here 32 we have written in 4 into 8 parts. So left side also and right side also we have made the branch. Okay, so this is the way to find the factor tree of any number. Got it? I hope this is clear to you. So I hope factor tree of 45, 24, 63, 81 you can do on your own. Okay, now another method to find the prime factors. Okay, find the prime factors by division method. This one is factor tree method, and we are going to learn another one, that is division method. Okay, so with a division method how can we do? Now it's very simple. Okay, this one, come to question number 2a, 36. So how we can do by division method? So again with smaller number we'll take. Okay, so you can take 2. With 2 36 will be divisible or not? Last digit is 6, so with 2 it will be divisible. What is the divisibility rule for 2? The last digit should be either 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. So what is here? Last digit? Last digit is 6, so it will be divisible by 2. But in how many times 36 will be divided by 2? So if you don't know, if you have learned the table, then you know that 18 into 2 is equal to 18 to the 36, or you can write 2 18 times is equal to 36. And suppose if you forgot the table, then how you can do? 2 36 you divide it, 2 1 ja 2, 3 minus 2 1, this 6 will come, and this 2 8 ja 16. Okay, so 2 8 ja 16, so this cancelled. So how much we have got? 18 we are getting. How much we are getting? 18. Okay, 18 we are getting. So we can write 2 18 times. Okay, so once again from the beginning I am taking 36. We'll take the smaller number, that is 2. So just now we have seen 2 18 times, 2 18 is 36, or 18 2 is 36. Again which number we can take? Again can we take 2? Last digit is 8, you can see here, so it will be divisible by 2. So 2 how many times? 9 times. So 2 9 is 18. Now 9 is it divisible by 2? No. So we can take 3. 3 3 is 9. Now 3, again we can take 3, 3 1 is 3. When you'll get 1 at last, then you stop it. Okay, so we can write 36 is equal to whatever we have got here. Okay, this 2, this 2, this 3, this 3, 1, no need to write 1. Okay, so what we'll write here? 36 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12, 12 3 is 36. Okay, now come to another question. Just look at here. 75. We have to find by division method. We have to do the prime factorization of division method of 75. Again we can take 75. So 75 I am taking 75. Now can we take 2? 75, is it divisible by 2? Last digit is 5. So it is not divisible by 7, not divisible by 2. Can we take 3? Can we take 3? So 75, what is the divisibility rule for 3? Add the number, add the digits 7 and 5. How much will get? 7 plus 5, 12. And 12 we get in the table of 3. So this is divisible by 3. Okay. So 75 is divisible by 3. Divisibility rule we have to think here. Okay. But 75 is divisible by 3. But by how many times? We don't know. So what we'll do? We'll divide it by 3. So 75 will divide by 3. If you know the table of 25, 3 is 75, we know or not? So we can write 3 into 25. Okay, so we can write here 3 25 times 75. Okay, but suppose if you forgot, if you don't know, then what you will do at that time? So you have to divide and see, find out. Okay, so just you divide it by 3. 3 2s are 6. 7 minus 6 1. This 5 will come down, and again 3 5s are 15. Okay. Now are we getting here 25? 3 into 25 is equal to 75. Okay. So we'll write here. So already I have written here 25. Now 25, is it divisible by 3? 5 plus 2 7. Digit if we are adding, we are not getting. We know 5 5s are 25, we know. So we can write here 5 5s are 25. Now 5 is divisible by which number? Only 5. 5 1s are 5. Now at last we have got 1. So we'll stop here. Now all the left side, whatever we have got, this 3, this 5 and this 5 we can write. So we can write here 75 is equal to 3 into 5 into 5. Okay, 3 5s are 15, 15 5s are 75. So this is the method to find the prime factorization by division method. This is called as what? Division method. Okay, division method. And earlier which method we have seen? Earlier factor tree method. Okay, so two method we have discussed. So you can do the rest of the questions from exercise 3. Factor tree method, you'll find all 45, 24, 63, 81. Then division method, just now I have discussed 36 and 75 already I have done, and this question 91, 28, 88 you can do on your own. Okay, so tomorrow we'll discuss exercise 4. Till then, see you in the next class. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.